This is a very short and very important message. The number one thing that will decide the success or failure of your hair transplant is without doubt the quality of your donor hair. This is why this is the first thing clinics look at when they meet you. And the shocking thing is, from my personal experience, around 50% of the people that I see have issues with their donor hair. And a lot of them don't even know it. They don't even realize they have issues with their donor hair. Why is this a problem? Obviously, your chances of success are lower, but the bigger problem, in my opinion, is most good clinics will just not touch you if you have poor donor hair. And you'll be left with a bunch of substandard, poor clinics who will just do anything to take your money and run away with it. It's crucial you do everything you can to improve the quality of your donor hair. And there's a way to do this super fast and super easy, and that's by taking the right supplements. Virtually every successful hair transplant I've come across involved using the right supplements both before and after the procedure. But there's a problem. Virtually all the hair growth supplements on the market today, whether it's on Amazon or in shops, are virtually useless for growing hair. Why? Because they're just regular vitamins. They're not specifically made for hair growth. They just take regular vitamins and slap on a hair growth label and sell it as hair growth supplements. Complete waste of time. What I recommend is Foligrow. I have one in my house right here, and here is why I recommend Foligrow. Number one is it's specifically made for hair growth. It has 14 proven vitamins and minerals which are specifically made for hair growth. The strength of each ingredient has been tweaked specifically to support hair growth. And most importantly, each ingredient is as pure as possible. Most of them at 98% purity or above. It's made in the US by a world-class manufacturing facility, and it's third-party tested, and it's much more affordable than the equivalent products on the market. So remember, you only get one shot at getting your hair transplant right, so you need to do everything you can to give yourself the best chance of a successful hair transplant. So if you're keen on trying Foligrow, it's a product I promote, it's a product I believe in. The link will be in the description below, so hop on there and have a look for yourself.